Hello, have you heard of Patong in Phuket and wondered, is it really as bad as what people tell me? Well, now's your chance to find out. This week, welcome back to Sean's Eye View. I'm going to take you on a walking tour along the stunning Patong beach and along the beach road past some of the neighbourhood's highlights. So we're starting up at the northern end of the beach. As you can see, there's some lovely developments and villas on the cliffs, but I haven't been over there. Here is Dolphin Roundabout, the beginning of the beach road. And yes, there's a sign, just in case you were lost. Cute. This place, is it open? Don't know. Artwork looks cool though. This is a medium-priced Marriott chain hotel, the 4 Points by Sheraton Phuket. I've had dinner at the restaurant on the beachfront over on the right there a couple of times. Very nice, good quality and not too crowded. All in a good resort for a family stay, as this is quite far from the noisy, rowdy bar district. Further along there are more resorts, and the beach is nice, wide open here. The path is good. It's generally a very good quality Thai resort town. This was an interesting find. I don't think it's open to the public though. The beach here at Patong is great. It's best to go for long walks either early in the morning or at the end of the day when you're not in the direct sunshine. It can get very hot. And there are plenty of places along the beach to rent deck chairs, use the toilet, get snacks and drinks. Getting closer into the town centre now, there's a big, large football pitch. Not seen a game here, maybe I will one day. After the football pitch, the road moves inland slightly from the beach and you can't walk directly along the road along the beach. There are businesses on both sides of the road for a short stretch. But it's all very interesting and there's plenty to see and very convenient if you're staying nearby. So walking a bit further south, you'll see Patong Beach becomes your typical Thai beach town with lots of shops, restaurants, cafes, bars, pharmacies, massage shops, fast food joints, all the things you'd expect to see on a holiday, including Barra, a beach club I featured in last week's video about the Impiana, which is just coming up on the right hand side. And this is where we stayed, the Impiana Phuket Resort. I featured it in a great video last week. It's a low-rise, small resort, chalet style with direct beach access. Recommend Kanok Massage for foot massage. Great way to end an evening out before you retire for the evening. So down this dark alleyway is the entrance to Blue Beach Cafe and Restaurant, and let's go have a look. It's right on the beach, and they have a live band playing songs, they have good sing-along, we had a nice drink, good food, and it was good for sunset and then into the evening. So here's the infamous Bangla Road walking street, a notorious part of Patong. It's daytime, you can't see how bad it is at night here, but it gets super crowded, super rowdy, and not the family environment at all. If that's what you want, great, all good for you, but it's not where I want to go. I walked back through the street at night with a friend, and I was approached and touched and hassled by at least 10 prostitutes. A friend of mine stayed here. It's right next to Bangla Road, so unfortunately it gets very noisy at night. So this is where the beach road rejoins the beachfront itself, and life gets a bit more calmer and more resort-like. Here on the beachfront is Pimnara Spa. Recommended. We had a really good facial treatment here. Here's the DoubleTree by Hilton Phuket, and has a very good pool in the centre of the complex with an excellent swim up bar, and I have first-hand experience of that. Very good. This is Hern Coffee and Bistro. We came here a couple of afternoons. It's a nice quality place. Let's go for a walk inside and have a look around. And here's the Holiday Inn Resort Phuket. Again, let's go have a look inside. So that's the end of the beach road. Now we're into the southern district. As you can see, it's much more quiet, more residential, some hotels on the hill there, and a nice wide open access to the beach. I was back on the beach later at the end of the day. The sunset was amazing, orange and purples in the sky. I published the video a few weeks ago. I hope you enjoyed that. And that's the Amari Phuket up on the hillside above the beach. Very nice resort. So that's Patong Beach. Yes, it has a reputation, certainly around the walking street, but I think you can see it's easy enough to avoid if that's not what you're looking for. I wouldn't necessarily come here for a long holiday. I mean, it's easy for me. I live in Bangkok. I can come for a weekend. Perhaps this is a good place if you're coming long haul to spend a few days to recover from the journey, get acclimatized, do some local shopping, and then head off more, see more of the islands towards Krabi, PP, go on a bit more of an adventure, or to a more family-friendly resort in Phuket that is a bit more remote maybe. There's certainly lots to see on the island of Phuket, and I have more videos coming to show you some of those adventures. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Patong, and I hope it's given you some information if you're planning a visit to Phuket soon. Thank you. And here are some other videos that you also may enjoy. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share. We always like to hear from you. Thank you. Bye bye.